Profound is the AI platform that thinks like a marketer, and they have an offer of a free AEO report for attendees. You can access that on their page on our website. And this is Nick. He's their founding marketing engineer. They kind of coined this term marketing engineer and gave it to Nick to be the first one. They're going to be showing some competitor gap analysis, an AEO audit, and some scheduled AEO agents. So I'll let you take it away, Nick.
Thanks, Emily. Hey, everyone. Great to be here. Really excited. So if you don't know what Profound is, yes, Profound helps you understand, control, and scale how you show up in AI search. The Profound MCP lets you interact with Profound data in just a different format, a different way. I think there's kind of like two types of people now. There's like people who like using UIs and the browser. And then there's emerging people, maybe like me and Emily, who prefer doing everything in Claude code. And so I think wherever you are, Profound, we can meet you there. And so here I've run kind of a long prompt, but it's mostly scoped just to make it run a bit faster and have a nicer output. But it's run a competitive teardown on this Hilton category, which I've identified by ID, just so it runs faster for me, where I am Hilton and my competitors are these, and then do not assume a fixed ranking. And so why you might want to run this is Profound data is great. The visuals in the Profound platform are very nice, but maybe your brand is different. Maybe your brand has colors because the Profound brand is black and white, and we have no colors. And so a use case for this is you'd want to pull data out, put it in a format that matches your own brand guidelines to show, what is your visibility by platform compared to different competitors? What is your visibility by different topics? Again, compared to different platforms. Four Seasons is getting crushed here. I hope no one from that team is here, or maybe if you are, you should.
I don't think we have any readers from Four Seasons, but maybe Four Seasons Total Landscaping to bring that back. Remember that?
Oh my gosh,
that's what I think of when I hear Four Seasons.
But yeah, you can pull in all this data via MCP, and it's really quite easy. And so the use case here is just accessing Profound data in a different format, a different way than you want. Next thing I want to show you is our brand new product called FactCheck, which helps you understand how and what AI gets wrong about your business. And so similar prompt, actually quite a simple prompt of audit what AI gets wrong about Hilton. Again, I gave it the ID using FactCheck for the last 30 days. And so the rest of this is just me giving it more specific data. So what this does is this runs prompts in Profound that are different than the normal prompts we run. And so normal prompts in Profound are open-ended. Like, what is the best women's running shoe to run the New York City Marathon? A prompt that we run in FactCheck is something that has a verifiable claim. So for example, how many Hilton Honors points convert to airline miles is a definitive answer to this question. And so in Profound, you can now go configure these prompts. You can upload ground truth data, meaning you can upload a verifiable fact, which you can do via UI or MCP. You can literally take all your shared marketing context, tell Claude, hey, create a knowledge base in Profound with all of this data, and it will upload to Profound, which is very cool. And then we can run prompts and tell you which claims are inaccurate. So in this case, 10,000 Hilton Honors points does not convert to 1,000 airline miles. It actually converts to 1,500 airline miles. And so this claim is wrong. We flag it as critical. And then we also show you how often this claim is repeated by platform. And then where it came from. So you can go do something about it.
I was going to say, can you tell us how to fix this?
Yes. Upgradedpoints.com.
Lost in the ether,
Yes. Yeah. It's like, if you're Hilton, you really care about this. And so here's a bunch of domains that have this incorrect claim. And so here's one around rewards and points. We categorize it in different areas. Here's like a rates and fees one. This one says Hilton does not offer a formal book now, pay later installment plan, but they do via co-branded Amex card. And so this one's maybe kind of like a gray area of like they do, they don't, to kind of like marketer answer of it depends. And then a loyalty status one. And so from here, you could say, hey, Profound, go build me an agent that will go figure out find all the inaccurate claims on these websites, write me an outreach email where I can go, email these people very nicely, or maybe I can kick off an email to my in-house attorney at Hilton to go, have a friendly chat with them as well, mafia style. So this is very cool. It's brand new in Profound, and you can access it via MCP. Okay, last thing is, again, I think I mentioned you can run and build an agent either in the UI of Profound or via MCP. A Profound agent is a way to run a basically a repetitive workflow over and over again. And so I can make a Profound agent, and then everyone on my team can use the exact same agents in the exact same way over time, which is really nice if you sit in a large org and you have kind of like more strict governance policies, or you don't want your coworkers to just mess with the stuff you build.
Yeah, so easy way to sort of share agents specific to Profound using the Profound agents process, I guess.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. And so in here, I told this to build me a Profound agent, again, with kind of like very specific prompts that I made. And Profound and Claude was like, hey, bro, like you already made this, because I have been testing this to make sure it runs okay in my live demo. And says, hey, like you already made this with the same name, with this ID. Here's how it works by taking a category label, pulls the top cited domains, top cited pages, and then kind of like writing a call out and say, hey, do you actually want to run this again? I said, yes, I do. I do want to run this again. And so it'll show you a nice visualization of what the agent looks like and how it works. And then you can pop over to Profound where I've preloaded it. And this is the exact agent I built. You give it a category label and you can run it. And so you can to recap real quick, you can pull Profound data via MCP and reformat it to your design system in Claude. You can run FactCheck analysis to see how AI talks about your brand inaccurately and then go chase down those citations. And you can build agents all within Profound via the MCP as well.
And you can pull in any AEO data you could possibly imagine, add new citations that you want to track. All of that, the basics as well, can be covered. And like I said, I love to stack the Profound MCP with the Kramer MCP to just push changes to my site. It's super fast and amazing. And yeah, thank you so much, Nick. Anything you want people to know? Final thoughts? I think you just did that with your recap, but anything else?
That was it. Come find me on LinkedIn. Come say hi.
Yeah, he posts a lot of great stuff, especially about being a marketing engineer.